Hello and welcome everyone. I am Jawan from Pakistan and I teach a very interesting subject, that is English grammar. Although I am not a native English speaker, but I had worked hard for years to master grammar and now help learners like you to master it. I know grammar can be confusing, like sentence structure, narration, tenses, preposition, and other parts of speech, but I explain everything in clear and simple way. My goal is to help you in writing accurately, fix common grammar mistakes, and speak with clarity and confidence. Whether you are a student of school or college, or someone who is preparing for exams or interviews, I will guide you step by step to speak with clarity and write with accurate grammar. So, if you are ready to improve your grammar for writing and speaking with clarity, book a lesson with me today and let's start learning together. Thank you.